Start recording now. Good, good. So tonight, our days are numbered on this course. As a matter of fact, this is our 9th class. Am I correct? This is our 9th class. It's only you people catch up slow. So I'm going to move faster and move ahead to a topic tonight. I want to design a report in Power BI Desktop. I want to jump the advanced part of our lab class, the DAX. The advanced part, I will encourage you to do it on your own. Let me know the challenges you have. We treat it on case basis. So I want to cover as much expected of me. So tonight we want to look at one of the key thing that you are focused on as a data analyst. The key thing, the role that's expected of you, presenting a report, designing a report in Power BI. That's what you want to examine tonight. Have you done your backup into backup folder? Then and save back to active. Have you done that?
Yes, sir.
Okay, great. So tonight, we want to, okay, let me show you a glimpse of the report we want to design. Forget about any grammar you see there. Can you see my screen? Can you see?
Yes, we can.
The upper part? This is the first report we want to design. After you've done all your analysis, you've done your cleaning, you've done your modeling, you've done your transformation, you now want to design a report you want to present to management. So our first report will look like what you are seeing above there. Hello, is it beautiful? Is it nice?
It looks nice, sir.
And I think you've seen something like this in your Tableau class. Am I correct? Okay, so you are not a complete rookie or novice to something like this. Good. So that is our target. That's our first aim tonight. We want to design a report like that. Okay. Microsoft want me to delete all I have here. Microsoft is encouraging me to delete page 1 and page 2, but I won't delete it. I'm going to leave it there and add a new page. Click on the plus sign. This time around, it's coming with page 3. Is that the page you have in your own? Hi, respond to me.
Yeah,
hello?
that's fine.
Yeah. Do you have page 3 in your own?
Yes.
Okay. Right click on that page 3 and click on rename. Have you done that?
Yes.
So delete that page 3 and put overview there. Overview. Okay. And press enter. Have you done that?
Yes.
Good. Now, the first thing we want to do, we want to put a logo. Definitely, when you want to generate a report, you have to generate a report customized to your organization. So, on your ribbon, that is on the menu. Okay. On the right-hand side, there is an element group. Can you see my mouse? The mouse are moving. That's element group. And inside the element group, there is, click on that image. It allows you to add an image, and that image is bringing up a screen like this. So go and locate your files. Remember this folder. Locate PL300. Are we together?
Yes.
Folder. There is Adventure PG. Can you see it?
Yep.
Did you see what I'm seeing in your own?
Yes, yes, yes.
Good. So either you click on it or click on for you. Just double click on it.
I got it.
Okay. Your company or your organization you want to work for, this is how they will give you their logo in a folder. Okay, they will create the logo of the organization in JPEG format. Put it in a file for you. It can be in any location. But I advise you that when they are giving you an assignment, create a folder. You can say Bank of England projects. You can say Barclay Bank projects. You can say First Bank UK projects. You create a folder, you put all the information given to you there. You will put this one there like that. Okay, so this is the logo of your organization. Reduce the size of this logo, is too big. Point to the right hand side and reduce the size to a corner. Then I will tell you, put a gap in between the edges of your reports. Some of us that are graphic oriented, is that logo size okay? Some of us that have been working with management, is this
Yeah, the
size
size is
okay?
okay. Yeah, it's okay.
The size is okay.
Because it's white all around,
Okay.
so it's very okay.
Okay. Good. So we've inserted our image there. The next assignment, we want to add a slicer. What is a slicer? It allows you to pick an item that controls information in your report environment. Okay, so click an empty area of your view, of your report view, so that your image will not be selected. Okay, small. You have to expand a bit. Look small. Click outside. Have you done that area on the report? Then select a slicer in your visualization. Come to your visualization folder. Look for the slicer. Here is one. It's a new slicer that just developing. That's not the one we want. Look for the other one. Look at this one. Can you see the one that has new and the one that doesn't have new? Can you see the two slicers on your own?
Yeah.
Okay. Click the one that doesn't have symbol, that doesn't have new. Click on it. So it's going to bring it to your window like this. So in the data pane, drag the date and year field, date table year field into your slicer. So come to your date. There is a field year here. Because you selected your slicer, any image you selected, whatever you do will affect it automatically. So check your year here. Can you see it has inserted the year there on that slider? Okay. So now, the next thing we want to do, so you know, I demonstrated this thing for you last week. Let me show you something. Who understood what I wrote down? I want someone to interpret that thing for me. What does it mean?
So that's a date table with a year field.
Great. Juliet, thank you. Date table with year field. Thank you. So I'm saying access your year field from date table. And that's what I've done. I put year here. So two things we are quickly going to do here. Let's go to the format. Under the slicer setting, first, to time romance. I want to make the header 20. Okay. Value, the content. I want to make it time romance. I want to make it 18. I don't need to make it good so that it will be clearer. My value. This slicer has some properties. I want to change it to drop down. I want this slicer to be showing one item for me alone. So come to visualization, format this. So under the slicer settings, look at the style. Under style here, click the arrow down and select drop down. Thank you. Drag your slicer, this slicer, drag it under your logo. Reduce the size. Let it be the size of your logo. And drag this one like this. Okay. Try what you've done. Click the arrow down here. Okay. Pick your year, check financial year 2020 and click on the logo. So that's just what is to be doing for you. To be picking the year. You select the year you want and click on the logo, then it collapse the rest. That's the way the drop-down list occur. Like I told you, you will learn all your visuals as you are working. That's the way slides are work. Does it make sense to you? So that's
Yes,
It
sir.
does.
okay. That's how the slicer work. Now the next thing, in your slicer, select year 2020. Okay, that's the year I want you to select. Then before I leave, I want you to see something under visual, under the formatting of your visual. See your slicer settings. Look at your options. That is where you pick whether you want to make it a vertical list, a drop down, okay, or title. We choose drop down. Then your selection. There is something I want you to see here. I can say I want only a single select. I can on this. Okay, that means you're going to pick only one item you can pick. You can't pick, you can only pick one. Can you see now? It doesn't allow you to pick
Multiple.
multiple. Good. Okay, great. So off it, because I want to be able to select more than one. Multiple selects. Okay, multiple selection. So if I off this, can I see pick? It will, this time around, it will tell you to allow you to do your check box. But okay, but I don't want that. So off it. So this is multiple selection with control key. I want you to be selecting your control key. Look at what I'm doing. If I pick this and I didn't hold down my control key, I will not be able to select any other one. So I want you to hold down. You pick the first one you want. I want 2020 and 2022. I hold down my control key. And I want 2020. I hold down my control key. That is multiple selection with control key. Okay. Then I want to check. Can you see this all button you have here? I may decide I don't want to see it. So I will come here and say off. Can you see now?
Yeah.
Okay. So now deselect the slicer by clicking an empty area. Click an empty area of the report page. I want to create another slicer. This time around for region. So click the slicer, this, and you see another one come down. Okay. Okay. Now go to your. I want somebody that has not seen anything today to tell me, what does this thing mean? What does it mean? Godwin, what does this thing mean? Hello, class. Hello, class. Talk to me. What does this thing mean? Who is helping me out? Albert, Juliet, Mariam,
Region table and region field.
Region. You are not reading well. Tell me.
Region field in the region table.
Region field in the region table. Thank you. Thank you. Please, let's learn it by heart. Region table. Here's a region. Expand it. And you want to access a region field. Here's a region field. Click on it. Okay. So expand this thing to the bottom of your table like this. To the bottom, a little gap. Okay. Now Let's quickly format this. Come to this place, slicer header, time romance. I want to make it a little bigger, 15, and bold. The region, the list of the region in the slicer, come to the value. I want to see my United Kingdom fully. Let me bold it and say, okay, I will leave it as this. Does it make sense to us? So click outside, you have that. We are going to leave our year slicer as a list. Let's look at year slicer, come to this, slicer setting. Can you see on the option? What do you see here? Can you read it for me? What's there?
A vertical list.
A vertical list, okay? Now, let's just start. I can't just click on Australia and click on Canada like that. It's going to know. I can click on Australia, those regions that are non-USA. France is part of US, France. Again, something is omitted here. Let me go back to slicer region, format, under slicer setting, vertical selection. I want to show select all. It's off. Put it on so that I can select all and at the same time unselect them. Good. Any question? So that is the earlier part of my graph, my report. So the next thing I want to put a chart, a column chart with lines stacked. Let me come to visual here. So I want to use this to design my report. So click, for you to pick another tool, make sure none is selected. So click outside. So none of the two tools that you use is being selected. So I'm going to put my line chart, click on it. Line chart with cluster column chart. This. So it will bring it here. So you arrange it in such a way that it will coincide with the level of your logo and the slider like this. Okay. So we want to design, want to put a report on stack bar with a line chart. That is line and stack column chart together. Okay. Okay, good. Now, the next thing you are going to do after you select your type of chart, drag the following field into the visual. Okay, again, let me look at this. What does this one mean? Who can tell me? What does it mean? Hello, class. How together? What does this thing mean? The one I select.
Date table, month field.
Day table, month field. That's month field in a day table, right? So you come to your date table and check on your month field. Make sure any object you want to put your value will be the one selected. So you select your chart, come to your month. It has inserted your month on your chart. Then tell me what does this one mean? Who is with me? What does this one mean? Are we in this class? Am I talking to people? I want response.
Yes.
I don't want. So when I ask a question, I want response.
Sorry, yeah, it says a field in sales table.
So you come to your sales and pick your sales field. There is your sales. Check it. So it has inserted your sales field in your sales table. Okay? So you see sales by month. Sales by month. And I want you to take note of something. When you check when you come to your dates and you check months, whatever you first pick by default, you're going to assign it to x-axis. When you pick your next value, you're going to assign it to y-axis. Okay? So I can at the same time, I can do it this way. I can come to date, month, and drag this month to y-axis directly, and come to sales, and drag y-axis directly. It's still going to do the same thing. Okay? So they call these spaces where information as worlds or areas. Okay? This is your x-axis well area here. X-axis well area. So now the next thing we want to look at is we want to drag our profits. We want to see the profit against the sales by month. So we will drag the profit margin to feed into y-axis well axis. Okay, you come to your, let's again say this, Holy Spirit, take control. sales. Do you understand this? So I'm saying profit margin field in sales table. So I come to my sales table. There is my profit margin. Look at your line axis, okay? Put your profit margin there, this. So you see the way you draw your profit margin for you. Profit is a line information, not a group information.
To show the trend, is it?
Come again?
I said like the profit margin line is to show the trend of the sales.
Yes, to show the profit margin of the sales, yes. Good. Now, notice that the visual has 11 months only. Do you take note of that? You only have 11 months only.
Yeah.
Okay. The last month of the year, 2020 June, doesn't have any sales yet. By default, the visual has eliminated months with blank sales. You now configure the visual to show all. Okay? As it is by default, when there is no record of information, your visual, this thing you are showing here, will not show it except to force it. Okay? So come to your x-axis under the months field. Select the drop down arrow here. Can you see? Okay. Click on show items with no data. This. So can you see now that it has shown your 2020 June information? There was no sale. Who can guess? This is one of the things you can do with your data to analyzing. When you are looking at a report like this, the question is, how come we have sales from July to May? What happens to June? You ask your marketers, why can't you have a sale? Who can guess why we don't have a sale in June 2020?
COVID.
Yes. COVID has started by this time in US as of 2020. It's only that places like Nigeria, it took a longer time to spread out. Okay, so notice that the 2020 June now appears. We still recorded some sales. We will see how we capture it later. Okay, so we are through with the first chart. How do you deselect a chart? How do you deselect a chart? Can somebody guide me? How do you deselect a chart?
You can just click in an empty space on the canvas. You should deselect.
Come again?
I said if you click on an empty space in the canvas, it should deselect.
Okay, thank you. If you want to deselect any object, just click on an empty area of the canvas page. Hope you remember the empty space, the whole of this page we are designing is canvas, correct? The whole of this empty space is called canvas. Okay, now we want to add another chart. Add a chart to the page. I am demonstrating that when you are designing your report, your page has many information as you choose. Okay. Now we want to pick a star column chart. Star column chart. Look at this. This is your star column chart. Look at your stack bar chart. This is your cluster bar chart. Cluster column chart. This is a 100% star bar chart. Star column chart. But at this point, we only need star column chart. This is the one we need. Star column chart. Click on it. So it brings your chart to an empty space. Okay, but this time around, I want my chart. I want to have other things. I want it to be half. Half of this month will be which month? Oh, what will be the half of the year? July to December, am I correct? Yes, that's half of the year. So you leave that chart there. On this chart, I want to have this. I want to have sales, and I want to have product category, products. Here, this is my egg as this. Here is my Y. And here is my legend. What do you mean by legend? You'll see now. So the first one, either you drag manually or you click. Okay, you come to your region table. Here is collapse this, collapse this. Here is your region. You want to pick country in your region. Here is country. Check it. So it's going to start country there. Then on your x-axis, I told you the one you first select is going to go to x-axis. The next one is your sales. Click on sales there. Can you see that? And finally, you have your product category. The next you want to add to this chart. Thank you. With insert country, then sales on y-axis. Then you want to put category from products on the legend, category. So you drag your category to the legend. Here is the legend here. So this is the way that is the way the chart will be. Okay. Now we want to add the third chart. You can have as many charts on this window. Okay. Depends on the kind of information you want to put there. So select the chart by clicking an empty area of the report page you've done. Go and click on stack bar charts. Look for your star. This is a stack bar chart. Click on this, the first item, and you have to insert it on the remaining empty space for you. It's adjusting the screen for you the way you are using it. So I don't need to resize there already. So this time, on this chart, I want to put in my category from product. So I come to product, check my category, put category there. This time of sales.
Sorry, did you say shard bar? Are we using shard bar?
We are
It's stacked bar
using
chart is the first one.
Stack.
stacked
Okay.
bar
Thank you.
chart. Stacked bar chart. Thank you. Please call me back if you don't understand me. Okay. Put out if you want to see quantity from sales. So collapse of product, come to sales and look at your quantity, check it. So it's giving me the quantity of category. I have next line, quantity that I have here. I have content and accessories. So to format the visual page, so come to format here. We want to format these are stack bar charts. Okay. Come to color here, chart, expand it. Okay. So now, two things we want to do, the color of each of the bar. I don't apply settings to all categories. I will leave clothing as blue here, but I want to the next category for my bag. This is how I'm not with you. People don't be watching video, let them and know whether my for the story. The room, then follow me up to this level of what I'm doing here.
Yeah, we want to change the colors of the different categories.
Good.
Yeah,
So
mine
I want
doesn't
to,
have, sorry, sir. Mine
okay.
doesn't have that apply settings to the one above the color. Is that under
I'm coming. Hold on. This is come to this is the form. Then you now come
Yeah,
to bars.
yeah, I'm
Okay.
there. Mm-hmm.
Okay. So here you have all. When you first come, you have all here.
Yeah, I
That
don't
is
have
all
that
the bars there.
in
Eh?
I don't have that in mind. Although what I see is show all on or off. That's the option I have.
Really?
Maybe
Stop.
it's the maybe it's a version of my Power BI.
Okay.
So, Juliet, quickly share your screen. So
I think I'm okay now, sir.
yeah, okay now, okay.
Yeah, thank you.
Okay, you're welcome. Let me continue. So we are trying to change the color of each of these bar. We can do the same thing, sales profit margin by month, but it's larger information. That's why I'm using this to demonstrate. Your management might decide that they want each of the bars or column to show different colors. This is how you do it. So you come to, you realize here same color, but I don't want that. So I'm saying clothing, keep the blue color. Then the next one is bike. So choose color for me. Which color do you, and I don't want color riot. I want a cool color, blended color. So which one will you pick? If you are with me, don't let us waste much time now.
You can do purple.
Purple. Okay, this is purple, right?
Mm, not really, but this is more like this is darker kind of.
Which one do you prefer? Since you just moved
The first line, the last
this.
three from the first line. No, the first line, right on top. Yeah, the one on top of this one you're holding.
This one.
Yes.
Okay. This, right? Okay. So we agree. So let's move on. Components. What color do you want me to give my components?
What else should choose color?
I can do wine. So the one next to the pink at the top. Is that wine?
This one.
The next one. Towards
This
your left.
one.
No.
Oh, this one.
Yeah. Let's just see.
Are these colors not close by?
Yeah, they're quite distinct in my eye anyway.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Accessory. Which color do you want us to pick? Hi, class. Talk, 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 talk.
Last to the right on recent colors.
On recent colors. Last to the right. This one.
Yes, please.
Good. Okay. So you can, like I told you, you are just custodian of Power BI and technicality. Your management can come, this is the color I want to present. I want my bars to be distinct. I want my column to be distinct. You listen to them. You document it. That is when they will praise you. That's when they will sing your praises. So that is what we've done together there. Okay. Now, another thing, somebody might say, I want to see, this is quantity by category. I want to know the volume of clothing that is sold for this period, quantity of buys, but my buy is not showing me the quantity, right? It's not showing me. How do I know the value? So by the time we publish this thing to your Power BI service, you will not have access to all these things again. So how do I now know the exact value? Okay, you can now come to your property, close your bar here. Okay, on it. Can see your data label now. Do you take note of what happened there?
Yes, sir.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Hello?
Yes,
Yeah, hello,
oh,
sir.
sure.
We can see it.
Do you
Yes.
see your data label is depends on the information the management want to see from you. Okay, so default, I will leave it as all region, okay, and year 2020. Okay, so I will leave it as this. Any other question for me? Sorry for all the stress. So click File, save where we are, File, save it where we are. Okay. The next, I can I go on, or you want me to stop? Can we go on? Give me some little time. I have some. I hope my internet will cooperate with me. This is the second graph. This is the second chart I want to design. Can you see this? I need
Yeah.
my region slicer. I want my year, order, sales, cost, profit, and profit margin. Okay. I want to see all my sales, the cost of production, the profit I made based on the cost of production, and my sales. Sales, this is my sale. This is the cost, profit. This is my profit. So margin. So let's quickly see it quickly. So add a new page.
We're not seeing your Power BI, sir.